Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a lean Flask API that serves your AI model. Create and activate a virtualenv, install Flask, requests, and the model SDK. In app, Pi load the model once it starts up so inference is fast, then define a post/predict endpoint that accepts JSON. Once done, parse input, run model, forward or equivalent, and return a JSON response with predictions. Make sure to add content type checks and simple input validation to avoid crashes when malformed requests arrive. Now you implement the Flutter client that talks to the Flask API. Add the HTTP package and write an async function that builds JSON payloads matching the endpoint schema. Use headers with content type application/JSON. Call URI. Parse HTTP//IP 5000/predict from a device-safe host, await HTTP, post, and decode the response body. Once done, update UI state inside set state or with a state management solution. Make sure to show a loading spinner and catch exceptions so the app doesn't freeze when the server is unreachable. Finish by deploying and securing the service so your Flutter app can use it reliably. Run Flask with Unicorn and Nginx, enable HTTPS with a certificate, and require an API key or bearer token that Flutter sends securely, never hardcode secrets. Once done, test endpoints with Postman and simulate mobile requests from the same network. If things go wrong, check server logs and CORS settings first. Most failures are network, CORS, or wrong JSON schema mismatches. Fix those, then retry the client.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.